How to get free virtual credit cards, the best free virtual credit cards. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be discussing some of the top virtual credit cards that you can use, what are the most trusted platforms, how much money you can store on either one of these, where you can use them, where you can get them, and everything you need to know about virtual credit. So let's get into it. Now, in this video today, we've got something exciting lined up. We're diving into the world of free virtual credit cards, and I'm going to be showing you the top 6 in this video. However, there are some alternate options available for multiple different geographical locations, and you can always check out local options if you want those, and if you want to use them readily in your country or in your state. Now, let's get into some of our picks for today. Well, our number one pick, and these are in no order, but the number one on our list today is Slice. Slice offers a seamless experience for generating virtual credit cards. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily create multiple different cards for multiple different purposes, whether it's online shopping or subscriptions. Plus, the best part about using Slice is that it is free. So you can get started easily on Slice, and you don't really have to get started with a fee, or how you have to create your account in the bank and you have to pay them a little bit of money to be able to get your card. For Slice, you can just scan the QR code from here and download it on your mobile phone. It's available for both Android and iOS. So it's simple, safe, and secure. Slice provides you with robust security features that ensure that all of your transactions are safe and sound. Now, the second up on our list is Pay People. So it's called PYYPL, but I just like to call it Pay People. Now, this platform takes convenience to the next level. It allows you to create virtual credit cards instantaneously, and get this, it integrates with various banking applications, making it super accessible for people that are looking to integrate it into their pre-existing bank accounts, and it makes it super user-friendly for anyone worldwide. Pay People also offers additional perks like cashback rewards and budgeting tools. So not only can you create your virtual card, but you can also manage your transactions, you can have some savings built up, and you can make it easier for you to be able to get cashbacks and rewards on your spending, which is now a very major component of building your credit. So if you can see over here that you only require your local phone number and a ID or passport, and you can top up with ease with your local debit card transfer, mobile money, or bill payment terminals, and you can also manage your money anytime, anywhere with Pay People. Now, moving on to the next platform, we have Skrill. And Skrill is one of the largest powerhouses out there. And in the virtual credit card realm, Skrill has really taken a lead because it was really one of the first platforms to really popularize using virtual credit. And it's super simple, from online shopping to gaming. Skrill is going to cover it all. The best part, setting up your virtual credit card over here is quick, and you'll have access to a range of currencies, which is going to be perfect, especially if you are a global shopper. They also have Android and iOS device applications as well. Now, you don't have to buzz around and wait. Instead, you can create your account directly from your desktop. All you have to do is log on to Skrill.com and click on register on the top right. Once you click on register on the top right, you can get started with providing your basic information to get started with Skrill. So your first name, last name, and some basic info, and in a couple of seconds you can get started with creating your virtual card. Now, next up on our list is Paze. So Paze is a all-in-one flexible tool that is going to help you in building your card and saving your money. Paze is a solution for creating virtual cards tailored to your specific needs. Whether you want a single-use card, which can be great for purchasing from overseas if you're uncertain about the websites that you're purchasing from, and whether you want a long-term card, which can help you in building up your credit or, just building up a savings and a better understanding of how you're spending your money online. And this can be great on Pays because it's super flexible as well. The platform is going to emphasize your personal control, allowing you to set your spending limits and managing your virtual cards effortlessly. And it's all about putting you in the driver's seat so you're better able to manage your money. And to open an account on Pays, all you have to do is open up pays.com, click on open an account on the top right, and you can get started with your basic information. Plus, Pays has two variations. Pays is available for personal use and it is also available for business use. So you can take a look at some of their account information, the levels of accounts you can create, and the card fees that they also have. So this can be a great way to have a more transparent platform where you don't have to worry about getting additionally charged for your spendings. Now, moving on to our next platform, we have Barter. So, Barter is a platform that stands out with their innovative approach. Barter offers virtual cards with advanced features like expense categorization. Now, this is more of an accounting tool, but you still find it in Barter because it is really meant to make it easier for you to spend your money, easier for you to be able to manage your money and real-time spending notifications. So as soon as you spend money, you will get a notification. So if there is a fraudulent transaction, you can stop it right away. It's a game changer for those that are seeking a detailed insight into their spending habits because when you're notified about your purchases, when money is cut from your account and you're able to get a update on that, all of that can be a great way for you to be able to manage your expenses, to be able to track your expenses and where your money is going. And there you have it, 5 fantastic platforms for you to be able to get started with for a virtual free credit card. But before we wrap up, remember that these platforms offer free virtual credit cards and you should always prioritize your security and be mindful of your transactions because although these are free platforms, you do have to keep in mind for most of these platforms, whenever you're making a transaction, a cut of that is going to the platform. So keep in mind that you are paying on some level. It might not be very apparent, but if it's going to be a constant spending habit, it might end up going into a lot of little transaction fees and they sum up to be a larger fee at the end. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below. And I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and I will catch you guys in the next video.